back, everybody. I'm Scott with Off-Grid Stoves and More, and I am making this quick video for a client out there that's having problems with changing out their back firewall gasket behind the lower wall. So this is going to be quick. Let's get her done. Okay. Okay, first thing that you need to do is start with the top. I've already loosened all these up for the purpose of making the video. Okay, now the top, just by removing the screws, you'll notice that it's in there solid, okay? Some are a little bit looser than others, and the Rikas, they're a little bit tighter than the Integras, okay? So let's go ahead and take off the bottom. Be very careful, as you just noticed. Again, I've already loosened these up, but when you start taking the bottom loose, the top, the weight will push down. Make sure you don't pinch your fingers. Be careful of the top. It is heavy. There you go. That quick, that easy. Now let me move on to changing out the gasket. So here's a brand new packaged firewall gasket. We are the only company that throws in the push nuts. Okay, so if you buy it, you automatically change out your push nuts. We've had customers to where they buy the gasket, and when they receive it, they go to take off the push nuts and then they just disintegrate. So we're trying to make it very easy. Purchase the board, get the push nuts, okay? So first thing you're gonna wanna do is take the push nuts off. Like so. Carefully remove your new insulation board. Get rid of that. Put your new insulation board over the pins like so. So the push nuts are very tight. You'll find that you won't just be able to put them on. This is what I use. I use like a socket or something like a piece of pipe or something that you can just put over the push nut. And then you'll be able to tap it on, okay? Like so. There you go, brand new. Brand new, ready to go. That quick, that easy. So if you have any questions, email us, offgridstoves@gmail.com. You can try to give us a call, 800-348-1021. Takes us at least 48 hours most of the time to get back to you. Emailing is what we always recommend due to the fact that it gives us a track record of your name, exactly what we've done for you. That way, if you have any troubleshooting questions or we have to help you in any way, I can go back. I can see exactly what we've done for you, how long ago, and it makes troubleshooting that much quicker. We are what makes Mama happy. You guys stay safe out there. Peace.